Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get acorns to sprout. First, gather healthy acorns that have recently fallen from the tree. Next, perform a simple float test by placing them in water. Discard any that float, as they are likely not viable. For red oak acorns, cold stratification is essential. Place them in a sealed bag with moist peat moss or sand in your refrigerator for about 2 to 4 months. White oak acorns can often be planted right away. Once your acorns are ready, selecting the right container is crucial. Oak trees develop a long taproot, so choose a pot that is at least 9 to 12 inches deep to allow for proper root growth. Make sure your container has sufficient drainage holes at the bottom to prevent water from accumulating. Fill it with a good quality, well-draining potting mix, perhaps a blend of potting soil and sand. Thoroughly moisten the soil until it is damp, but not soaking wet. Now it's time to plant your acorns. Place each acorn about 1 to 2 inches deep in the prepared soil, laying it on its side. If your acorn has already sprouted a root, gently orient it downwards into the soil, being careful not to damage the delicate tip. After planting, water the soil thoroughly until you see water draining from the bottom of the pot. Remember, newly planted acorns are a tasty treat for critters, so protect them from squirrels and mice with a mesh cover. As your acorn begins to sprout, consistent care is key. Keep the soil consistently moist, but be careful not to overwater, which can lead to rot. Place your container in a location that receives adequate light, such as a sunny windowsill indoors or a spot with partial shade outdoors. Once your sapling grows, protect it from larger animals like deer by using a protective cage. When your young oak reaches about 1 to 2 feet in height, it will be ready for transplanting to its permanent home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.